Merlin here. Thought I'd give y'all a progress report. Oh man, well, we've got just about one half totally cleaned out of the front here. You can see this side I still got to work on more, but this side's looking pretty good. But you can definitely tell that looks kind of wet in there. I'd say this thing's absorbed some moisture for sure. So we got to clean that all out. But yeah, I think this is going to work. Getting all this foam chunked out of here. I got to trim some more, and then I'll put a little decking across there. I'll reinforce it and put like a deck in there that the lift engine will sit on top of. So that's what we're at so far. Going to be interesting, but I think it's going to work. Everything looks like it's going to clear okay. So thanks for watching, and we'll keep you posted.